This is a Swytch bike.
This is a Swytch bike.
This is a Swytch bike. In fact, any bike can be a Swytch bike.
And we mean any bike. All you need is a Swytch Kit. It's lightweight.
Pocket size. Connects to your handlebars.
And boost your ride with electric power.
Swytch is your bike, electric. For the speed, for the hills, for the power, and for the adventure.
Hi, we're Swytch,
We invented the Swytch Kit.
to revolutionize the way you travel.
So you don't have to sit in traffic.
Or get squashed on public transport.
Swytch gives you so much power. It's like me pedaling for you.
So you can go further and faster without breaking a sweat. Over 50,000 people all over the planet have already turned their bikes electric with Swytch. We deliver directly to your door, and we custom build the wheel for you in the exact size to match your bike. So installation is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Then simply start pedaling and the power kicks in.
We're leading the electric bike revolution.
And we want you to join us.
Swytch is affordable, powerful, lightweight, durable, and great fun. Double your range with our larger battery for those longer rides. And simply pack an extra battery if you're heading off on an adventure.
Thanks to Swytch, anyone
Anywhere can turn any bike.
electric.
So if you have a bike,
And you want an electric bike,
Swytch.